Today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries on a Ring Dome Siren. And this is battery I am going to be using. All we do is we take the Dome Siren and all we have to do is just turn it. Once we turn it, we pull it and you will see the batteries there. And all we do now is, right on top, they have like a little paper there that you pull and you start pulling the batteries. Once you pull the battery, you're gonna put your new ones in. And just in case that you forgot how they go, right inside they have a picture of how the battery should be installed. And all we do is take our battery, our new batteries, we push them in. We'll take the new one, the other one. See the light blinking? Now all we do is we take the Dome Sirens. We just turn it the other way. And that's it. And you have replaced your battery on a Ring Dome Sirens. Later.